Hey there! Ever feel like happy just doesn't cut it? Hello, everyone. Welcome to your English learning session. Are you tired of using the word happy all the time? Today, we're going to level up your vocabulary, and not just by memorizing words, but by learning how to use them confidently in real life English conversations. In this class, you'll learn 10 powerful synonyms of happy, their meanings and usage, real-life scenarios, pronunciation help, and how using varied vocabulary helps you speak fluent, rich, and natural English. Let's dive in. Before we start the lesson, make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Your support really motivates us and helps us create more amazing content. So go ahead, hit that like button too. Now, let's dive into today's lesson and make it a great one. Why this lesson matters. Fluent English isn't just about speaking fast. It's about using the right words at the right time. When you use the word happy for every situation, like I'm happy you came or I'm happy with my gift, it becomes repetitive and boring. Using richer words like thrilled, delighted, or joyful can make you sound smarter, help people understand your feelings better, and improve your confidence in speaking. Now let's explore 10 great alternatives to happy with real-life use. 1. Glad, meaning feeling pleased or satisfied. Tone, friendly and polite. Examples: I'm glad you came to my party. She was glad to help. Use it when you want to express happiness in a polite and simple way. 2. Delighted, meaning extremely pleased. Tone, more formal or enthusiastic. Examples: I was delighted to meet you. We were delighted by your performance. Use it when you want to express warm, deep happiness in thank you speeches, interviews, or formal settings. 3. Overjoyed, meaning extremely happy, full of joy. Tone, strong emotion. Examples: I was overjoyed when I got the job. They were overjoyed by the news. Use it when you experience a sudden and strong feeling of happiness. 4. Joyful, meaning full of deep joy. Tone, emotional, often spiritual. Examples: it was a joyful occasion. The room was filled with joyful laughter. Use it when describing emotional or life-changing events, weddings, festivals, reunions. 5. Thrilled, meaning very excited and happy. Tone, high energy. Examples: I'm thrilled to be part of this project. She was thrilled to hear the news. Use it when you feel excitement plus happiness at once. Great for professional conversations, too. 6. Cheerful, meaning noticeably happy and positive. Tone, personality based. Examples: he is always cheerful, even during tough times. Your cheerful smile made my day. Use it when describing a person's mood or character. 7. Pleased, meaning politely happy about something. Tone, formal, gentle. Examples: I'm pleased to inform you. He was pleased with his results. Use it when you want to sound professional or polite, especially in business English. 8. Ecstatic, meaning extremely happy, almost wild with joy. Tone, intense emotion. Examples: she was ecstatic after her team won. We were ecstatic when the baby was born. Use it when you feel strong, uncontrollable happiness. 9. Meaning very happy and proud. Tone, positive and slightly formal. Examples: I felt elated when I got the award. He was elated at the success of his book. Use it when you feel happy plus proud, a feeling of achievement. 10. blissful meaning, perfect and peaceful. Tone, calm, dreamy. Examples: they had a blissful honeymoon. She looked blissful while meditating. Use it when you want to describe calm and deep happiness. How to use these words in real life. Let's say someone asks you, "How was your vacation?" You can say, "I was overjoyed to finally relax. It was a blissful escape. I felt so cheerful every day." At work, instead of, "I'm happy with the outcome," say, "I'm pleased with the result. I'm delighted by the feedback." Tip: match your word to the situation. Casual, glad, cheerful, thrilled. Formal, pleased, delighted, elated. Emotional, joyful, blissful, overjoyed. Recap. Today you learned 10 powerful synonyms for happy. 1. Glad. 2. Delighted. 3. Overjoyed. 4. Joyful. 5. Thrilled. 6. Cheerful. 7. Pleased. 8. Ecstatic. 9. Elated. 10. Blissful. Using these makes your English richer, smarter, and more natural. When you learn variety and expression, you avoid repetition, understand native speakers better, express your emotions accurately, build confidence in speaking, sound fluent and expressive, not basic. Fluency is not about using big words. It's about using the right word. Practice task. Now it's your turn. Choose 3 words from today's class and create your own sentences. Say them aloud or write them in the comments section. Example: I felt ecstatic when I saw my exam results. She gave me a blissful smile. The more you practice, the better your fluency becomes. If you found this video helpful, do me a small favor. Like, share, and subscribe for more powerful English lessons every week. Remember, your words have power. Speak with confidence. Speak with style. Thank you so much for learning with me today. See you in the next class. If you found this class helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our upcoming lessons. Share this video with your friends or classmates who are also learning literature. It might help them too. Do you have any doubts or need help with a particular topic in literature? Drop your questions or suggestions in the comments below. I'll read them and try to include them in the upcoming classes. On our channel, we teach English as a communicative language, cover essential grammar concepts, provide content for literature students, and offer a wide range of English learning videos. Let's learn and grow together through literature.